What it do? It's your boy Crypto Bro 9000, and I'm back at you with another segment of that OG crypto funk. You know what? Markets move on narrative, and I'm about to give you one that's been sleeping in plain sight for over a year. You've seen the headlines. IMF puts XRP on shortlist. The common take: nice endorsement, old news. They see a footnote in a PDF, a polite nod. The quiet part they're not telling you, though, is the IMF doesn't do nice. They don't do polite nods. When the International Monetary Fund, the global firehouse for financial stability, points to a specific asset in a report on the future of money, that's not a suggestion, that's a blueprint. Now, if you zoom out, the report isn't about crypto. It's about a system in terminal failure. The current cross-border payment network isn't just slow. It's a fragile web of IOUs and credit lines held together by a handful of mega banks. It's a closed club, and the rest of the world is paying the cover charge. So that's not an efficiency. That's a racket. So the IMF did what it does. It diagnosed the cancer, and it prescribed 3 potential cures. And one of them wasn't a vague blockchain. It was XRP. The evidence is in the text. They didn't say Ripple, the company. They named the asset, XRP, as the prime example of a private settlement asset with a dedicated payment network. That's not hopium. That's taxonomy. They've categorized it as essential infrastructure. Let's talk catalyst. The trigger isn't a new partnership or court case. The trigger is sovereign desperation. We're watching emerging economies get strangled by dollar dominance and correspondent banking collapse. When Brazil, India, or Saudi Arabia looks for a way out, this IMF report is their playbook. They will not build the old system, they will deploy the new one. The narrative that this is a 2-year-old irrelevant document is a gift. It means the real money hasn't moved yet. They're letting you get positioned before the sovereign wealth funds and central banks have to front run each other. So what's the call? Stop looking for the next meme coin. Start looking for the rails of the next global financial system. The IMF just told you in black and white which rail they're considering. This isn't about a 10x. This is about the replumbing of a $150 trillion a year market. So the trade isn't long XRP. The trade is long obsolescence of the old way. The IMF drew the map and it's time to follow it. Buy the system, sell the noise. Yo, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the perfect time. Share this video because it'll help me with the algorithm. And smash that like button because you know you want to smash. I'll catch y'all in these crypto streets. 9000.